everyone! A big thank you to all of you for helping Toddlers Art Hub reach 150k subscribers. We couldn't have done it without your love and support. You all are awesome! Today, we are going to draw something really cool and fun, a staircase with creative shapes on top.
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw zigzag lines going up. These will be the outlines of our stairs. Now, let's draw the horizontal lines inside to make the steps of the staircase.
La da 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 dee.
Looking good already. Next, let's draw 7 tall pillars standing on the stairs. Now for the fun part. On top of each pillar, we'll draw some basic shapes. Wow, so many shapes. Nice job, everyone. Our staircase drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Here are our color pens. Today, we will use rainbow colors. Let's say the names together while coloring. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. Cream color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow, that looks super colorful and fun. Great job, little artists. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawings. And once again, thank you for 150k subscribers. You all are the best. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.